How to enable the preferences settings for your Gboard keyboard and what uses they have for your Gboard keyboard. This is late 2023 going into 2024 update. So things are slightly different and let's get started. Let's say you're about to start typing and of course your Gboard keyboard is going to pop up like this here. You'll see the settings icon here that'll take you to the main settings, and the very first set of settings would be your languages followed by preferences. Tap on preferences 1 and this is where you can enable all the preferences settings. So first, if you want your number row to always show when you are typing at the very top of your Gboard keyboard, go ahead and enable this here. You also have show emoji switch key here. I'll back out of this quickly just to show you what these two are. So if I'm gonna start typing here, this is the number row with all the numbers right there. And this is the emoji key switch right here, okay? So that's those two here. Then we have the layout. Now, if I tap here, I can choose to switch my one-handed mode from right to left, but you can also access this here as I come out of here and I start typing. You'll have this right here. You see this right here? When you tap on that, you'll see your one-handed mode feature. And tapping here will give you one-handed mode, and you can tap on this arrow here to bring it to your right, or if you're a left-hander, totally up to you. This is going to resize your one-handed mode keyboard, and this is going to bring it back to full screen keyboard, okay? So with that said and done, let's head back down in here. We have key press, which gives you sound and then the vibration feedback. Turning these two off will disable the sound key press and vibration feedback on each key press. But if you leave it on and you want to adjust it, you can tap here and adjust how loud it's going to be. And then you can adjust the vibration strength of each press if you want that vibration, but at a lower level, okay? Then you have the pop-up on key press, okay? Pop-up on key press is when you type a key, they will show up, and then long pressing that key is gonna give you those additional hidden symbols, okay? And finally, the key long press delay. So when you long press a key, it's gonna go ahead and continue repeating itself. And then flick input sensitivity, okay? Sensitivity level for sliding input. That's for the gliding, sliding feature here. You can leave it on low or high. But let me just show you the pop-up and the long press here. So when I come out here, I'm gonna start typing. When I tap on one of these letters here, you'll see how it's gonna show me. Notice when I tap on a letter, it's gonna pop up. That's the pop-up on key press. But when I long press one of them, like the T for example, you'll see how it's gonna reveal that other symbol here, which is these tiny little symbols on the right top of every key. And enabling that setting is gonna show you the symbols, and long pressing them is gonna reveal them to you like this here. And the others, if there's additional for them, they will also be shown there as well, okay? And that's that for this video tutorial. Like and sub.